Hi, I'm Dean Edwards and I'm a proud ambassador for Maple from Canada, and I'm here to show you how to make a banging maple Pad Kra Pao.
And it all starts by whisking together the sauce. To add into a bowl some dark soy, oyster sauce, fish sauce and some pure Canadian maple syrup. I'm using the dark as it works so well in this dish. This is such a quick and easy meal to put together. It's perfect for a no-fuss dinner. So finely chop an onion, then smash some garlic and mince it down until smooth. Next up, preheat a large frying pan or wok, then stir fry the mince until golden. This is going to take around 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm using beef in this recipe, but pork is also delicious to use. Just make sure to use the best quality mince your budget will allow. Add in the onion and garlic and fry for a few minutes before pouring in the sauce. Let this reduce for a few minutes, then toss through some freshly chopped chilli and some Thai basil, and you are done. I like to serve mine with a crispy fried egg on top, along with a portion of rice to soak up all of those incredible flavours. This is a dish we eat weekly at home. It really is that good, and you really need to try it.
Every Asian dish relies on a beautiful balance of flavours: hot, sweet, salty and sour. Pure maple syrup from Canada adds the sweetness to combat the fieriness of the chilies. This is absolutely banging. If you want this recipe and others, head to maplefromcanada.co.uk, and for more inspiration, head to our socials. This is banging.